Ever wanted to make a Big Mac at home? Of course you have. Imagine sinking into your couch, the aroma of a freshly made Big Mac wafting through your living room. No drive-through lines, no waiting in your car, just pure, unadulterated burger bliss right at your fingertips. Why settle for a drive-through burger when you can craft a masterpiece in your own kitchen? Picture this: the sizzle of the patty on your stove, the crispness of fresh lettuce, and the tangy kick of a homemade sauce. It's not just a meal, it's an experience. Today, we're not just following a recipe, we're unlocking the secrets behind every layer. Each step is a revelation, a journey into the heart of what makes a Big Mac so iconic. From the perfect bun to the precise layering of ingredients, we're diving deep. Think of each ingredient as a block of clay, ready to be shaped into burger greatness. The beef, the cheese, the pickles, they're all waiting for your creative touch. It's like sculpting, but tastier. We'll sculpt perfect patties, whip up a vibrant sauce, and stack our creation with the precision of a stop-motion animator. Every detail matters, from the seasoning of the meat to the mixing of the sauce. It's all about balance and harmony. This claymation approach breaks the process into simple, fun steps. You'll see each layer come to life, transforming from raw ingredients into a mouth-watering masterpiece. It's a visual feast, as much as it is a culinary one. By the end, you'll have more than a burger. You'll have a work of art, a creation that's as pleasing to the eye as it is to the palate. It's not just about eating, it's about appreciating the craft. We're not just imitating, we're elevating. This isn't a mere copy, it's an homage to the original, with your unique twist. It's about taking something familiar and making it extraordinary. Fresh beef, crisp lettuce, and a homemade sauce that rivals the original. Each component is chosen with care, ensuring that every bite is a burst of flavor. It's about quality and freshness. You control every detail, the meat, the sauce, the crunch. Customize it to your liking, whether you prefer extra pickles or a double layer of cheese. It's your burger, your rules. Forget the drive-through. We're aiming for a hot, juicy, perfectly built burger. One that's made with love and attention to detail, right in your own kitchen. Grab your apron. Your kitchen is about to become a burger studio, a place where culinary dreams come true, one delicious layer at a time. This is hands-on food science, history, and flavor, all in one. You're not just cooking, you're exploring the evolution of an iconic dish, understanding what makes it so special. The ultimate homemade Big Mac is within your grasp. With each step, you're getting closer to burger perfection. It's a journey worth taking. Let's start building, one delicious layer at a time. From the bottom bun to the top, every layer is a testament to your culinary skills. Let's make this Big Mac unforgettable. Before we mold our ingredients, let's appreciate the Big Mac's origin. Born in 1967 by Jim Delegati in Pennsylvania, the Big Mac was a response to customers wanting a bigger burger. The genius, that middle bun, the club layer, solved the double patty mess. Early names like the Aristocrat flopped, but Esther Glickstein Rose's Big Mac stuck. The 1974 jingle, 2 all-beef patties, special sauce, lettuce, cheese, pickles, onions on a sesame seed bun, became pop culture. The Big Mac quickly became McDonald's flagship, selling nearly 1 billion a year worldwide. It's more than a burger, it's a global icon. As we build our own, we're joining a rich culinary tradition. We honor the creativity and simplicity that made the Big Mac legendary. Now let's gather our ingredients. The real fun begins. Every great burger starts with a plan, and that plan begins at the very heart of your kitchen, the shopping list. Before you even think about firing up the grill or heating a pan, you need to gather the right ingredients, the ones that will make your burger truly unforgettable. Think of your ingredients as the cast of a blockbuster movie. Each one has a role to play, and together they create something magical. The right cast of ingredients is what separates a good burger from a legendary one. Let's start with the star of the show, the beef. For the juiciest, most flavorful patties, choose ground beef with an 80/20 blend. That's 80% lean meat to 20% fat. This ratio is the secret to a burger that's both tender and packed with flavor, just like the ones you crave from your favorite burger joint. Don't be tempted to go leaner. That fat is your secret weapon for tenderness and taste. It melts as the burger cooks, keeping everything moist and delicious. If you want to go the extra mile, you can even mix in a little extra fat for that ultra-juicy bite. Next up, the buns. For a true Big Mac experience, you'll need 2 sesame seed buns per burger. The trick? Use the extra bottom bun as your middle club layer. This not only gives your burger its iconic look but also adds structure and soaks up all those delicious juices and sauces. Cheese is non-negotiable. American cheese is the classic choice for its perfect melt and creamy, salty flavor. It drapes over the patty, melting into every nook and cranny, creating that signature gooiness you expect from a Big Mac. Don't forget the veggies. Shredded iceberg lettuce brings a cool, crisp crunch, while finely minced white onion adds a sharp bite that cuts through the richness of the meat and cheese. These fresh toppings are essential for balance and texture. Dill pickle slices are a must for that tangy, briny pop. They wake up your taste buds and add a layer of complexity to every bite. Now for the magic, the special sauce. Gather mayonnaise for creaminess, sweet pickle relish for a touch of sweetness and crunch, yellow mustard for a little zing, and a blend of spices to tie it all together. This sauce is what sets the Big Mac apart from every other burger out there. Each ingredient, from the beef to the sauce, plays a crucial role in building the Big Mac's signature taste. It's a symphony of flavors and textures where every note matters. The key to burger greatness is starting with the freshest, highest quality components you can find. Don't cut corners here. Your burger will only be as good as what you put into it. With your cast of ingredients assembled and ready, you're set for the next step, crafting the star of the show, the sauce. Remember, there are no shortcuts. Every element, no matter how small, matters in the final bite. The choices you make now will set you up for burger greatness. Take pride in your selection and get ready for the magic to happen. Are you ready? It's time to crack the code of that legendary sauce, the secret that makes the Big Mac unforgettable. The next scene is all about unlocking flavor. Let's dive in and discover what makes this burger truly iconic. The soul of the Big Mac is its special sauce. Our version is simple, tangy, and spot on. Start with full-fat mayonnaise for a creamy base. Add sweet pickle relish for texture and sweetness. No dill here. Yellow mustard brings sharpness and tang. A splash of white wine vinegar brightens everything up. Onion powder, garlic powder, and paprika round out the flavor and color. Mix it all together, then let it rest in the fridge for at least an hour. This patience lets the flavors meld into that unmistakable Big Mac taste. The result? A sauce that's nearly indistinguishable from the original. Slather it on generously. This is the flavor that ties it all together. Now, let's talk patties. Big Mac patties are thin by design. This isn't just a random choice, but a deliberate technique that's all about maximizing flavor and texture. When you bite into a Big Mac, you're not just tasting beef, you're experiencing a carefully engineered balance of juiciness, crispiness, and that signature savory punch. The secret? More surface area means more flavor. When you smash a patty thin, you expose more of the meat to the hot skillet, creating extra room for the Maillard reaction, the chemical process that gives browned food its irresistible taste and aroma. To get started, use the smash technique. Loosely form 2-ounce beef balls, just enough to hold together. Don't overwork the meat. Keeping it loose ensures the patty stays tender and juicy, not dense or tough. Next, heat a cast iron skillet until it's blazing hot, no oil needed. The dry, intense heat is what gives the patty its signature crust, locking in juices and flavor. Place a beef ball on the skillet and smash it flat with a sturdy spatula. Press down firmly to maximize contact with the pan, but don't linger. Speed is key. Smash within the first 30 seconds for a perfect crust. This quick action helps the patty develop a golden, crispy edge while staying juicy inside. Season generously with salt and pepper right on the griddle. This way, the seasoning fuses with the sizzling beef, enhancing every bite. Let the patty cook for 60 to 90 seconds, undisturbed, so the bottom forms a deep brown crust. Then, flip it confidently, no need to press down again. After flipping, immediately add a slice of American cheese. The residual heat will melt it perfectly, creating that classic creamy layer. The second side cooks in just 30 to 45 seconds, just enough to finish cooking through without drying out the meat. The result? A thin, juicy patty with a crispy, flavorful crust. Exactly what you want for a Big Mac. Each bite delivers a satisfying crunch and a burst of beefy flavor. Repeat this process for all your patties, working quickly to keep everything hot and fresh. Consistency is key for that authentic Big Mac experience. These patties are the engine of your Big Mac, powering every layer with flavor and texture. Get this step right, and you're halfway to burger perfection. Simple, fast, and absolutely packed with flavor. Next up, the buns. Let's toast them just right to complete the Big Mac magic. Toasting the buns is essential for texture and structure. Use the same skillet, letting the buns soak up leftover beef fat. Toast the cut sides of the top, bottom, and both sides of the middle bun. Aim for a light, golden brown crispness. Watch closely, it happens fast. The double-toasted middle bun is the unsung hero, keeping your burger intact. Once toasted, set your buns aside for assembly. This step adds flavor and prevents sogginess. With hot patties and perfect buns, you're ready for the grand assembly. Every detail matters, don't skip this step. The stage is set for burger greatness. Let's build your masterpiece. The final act begins now. It's time for the grand assembly. Order matters. Start with the toasted bottom bun and spread on a generous layer of special sauce. Add minced onion, shredded lettuce, and your first cheese-covered patty. Top with dill pickle slices. Place the double-toasted middle bun on top. Repeat. More sauce, onion, lettuce, and the second patty. Finish with the toasted top bun. Don't press down, just let it rest. Step back and admire your creation, a towering, colorful stack of flavor. Every layer has a purpose, every bite is balanced. You've built a homemade Big Mac, hot, juicy, and irresistible. This is burger artistry. The textures, the flavors, the satisfaction, it's all here. Take a moment to appreciate your work. You've mastered the Big Mac. Now let's talk customization. Making a Big Mac at home means you can break the rules. Upgrade your beef with short rib or brisket for richer flavor. Add bacon, jalapenos, or caramelized onions for a twist. Swap American cheese for sharp cheddar or pepper jack. Spice up the sauce with sriracha or smoked paprika. Try a brioche or potato bun for a different texture. The classic recipe is just a starting point. Make it your own. The skills you've learned work for any burger. Experiment, have fun, and find your perfect combination. The best burger is the one you love most. We've reached the end of our claymation burger adventure. You've learned the history, mastered the sauce, and perfected the smash. You've toasted, stacked, and customized every layer. This isn't just a copy, it's your Big Mac, built to your standards. The flavors are brighter, the textures crisper, and the satisfaction deeper. The skills you've gained go beyond this burger. Use them for any creation. The kitchen is your studio, the ingredients your medium. Don't be afraid to experiment and make it your own. Gather your ingredients, fire up your skillet, and dive in. Cooking is about learning, discovery, and fun. Embrace the process, enjoy the mess, and savor the results. You're now the director of your own burger masterpiece. Take a bite, you've earned it.